Y'all, look at all this kinky straight goodness. This is a human hair wig. Like, what? Yes, I am living for it. Look at this movement. Look at his body. You see that? Girl.
You keep on your boat. You and I just spending my mode. See, figure how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another headband wig. This one is from Nia Wigs, and this is the kinky straight texture. I'm wearing it in 22 inches. You do get 3 combs on the front, so 2 on the sides and 1 right in the middle, 1 comb on the back, as well as your adjustable straps. It does come with that pre-attached black Velcro band, so definitely keep that in mind. This is probably going to be one of the ones that you want to wear these wider headbands with, just to cover up that black band if you want to cover up that black band. They did also send along 3 different headbands, as I showed in the video. The texture on this unit, like I said, girl, is kinky straight, but it just feels so good. It feels like freshly washed natural hair. Like, it feels super soft, it's super full. On the website they do list this as 150%, but baby, this is not coming off 150% to me. This is definitely coming off more along the lines of 180. So if you are not a fan of big hair, I would not recommend this, but I am all here for the big hair. So girl, the big hair don't care. I love that they did not skimp on the density, honey. Yes, it did take heat very well, so I was all here for that. The cap size on this one definitely is small, medium, and big head friendly, so you are able to adjust it. The cap does have some stretch, as well as, like I said, you do have those adjustable straps if you wanted to go in and secure it even more. Let me just jump into the cons and the pros on this unit. Honestly, I don't think that I have any cons, to be honest. I feel like a lot of these headband wigs are super basic as far as the construction is concerned. You kind of can't go wrong. There's not really too many things you could do to mess them up, so I honestly don't think I have literally any cons with this unit. My pros on it, I love the texture. I love how big it is, the density. They said 150%, but they were not playing, girl. This is like 180%. It's super lightweight on my head though, even though it is a lot of hair, ma'am. Yes, I love the fact that it is versatile. I like the fact that they did send along 3 different headbands that do cover up this band pretty well. You probably can see it a little bit, but it ain't no biggie. It's something you could work with. Let me see that. Something you could work with, girl. You could work with this. Okay, you guys, so I know you're probably curious to see how this hair looks curled, so I actually decided to go in with the Desire Series 25mm curling wand that was sent to me from Duvole. I've never tried a curling one before, but I feel like my end result for this was amazing, to the point that I'll probably never be going back to a curling iron, because I just really love the fact that it didn't leave any creases. I feel like it lets the hair look more healthy or natural. It has like this super ergonomic grip that makes the styling super easy and comfortable. Of course, they sent along a glove as well, so you don't burn your little hands, girl. But at some point I did end up taking the glove off just to get a better grip. It gets a good amount of heat, but it wasn't super hot to the point that I felt uncomfortable not wearing the glove with it. And I just feel like, all in all, this hair did take a long time to curl. As you guys can see, I did end up taking it off my head and just popping it on my wig mannequin, just because, like I said, girl, it is a lot of hair and I couldn't get to all the areas that I wanted to get to, and I just wanted the head full of curls. So yes, I did go in and pop that bad boy off, and then I just went in and curled the whole thing up, and I feel like my end result was really good. I like this curling wand a lot. One of the best things about this wand is that it has this tourmaline that fights frizz and static, and I did definitely notice that a lot with this unit. As you could see, the end curl result, you're not really seeing any frizz or anything like that. Any frizz that you see would probably be for me just finger combing the curls out. But honey, tell me this hair did not curl beautifully. I feel like this one is beautiful, and it also has tangle-free cords, so that when you're wrapping the hair around it, you don't have to worry about it getting all tangled up and messing up your flow. So that was super good. It's clamp-free, of course, so you don't have to worry about the creases that you get into your hair that you normally would get when you're using like a curling iron. It maintained an even temperature all throughout the process, so I didn't have to worry about any heat burning me or anything like that. And I also didn't have to worry about it cooling down and my curls curls falling. So I feel like they did a very good job with this 25mm curling wand. And I also have a 70% off promo code for you guys right in the description box, so you can pick this $100 curling wand up for $28.50, honey. And if you have any other interest as far as like a larger curling wand or even a flat iron, they also do have the discount coupon codes for those as well. All of them would be $28.50. I will be using this wand with all of my other units. I also want to try it on my synthetic units just to see how they hold up, but I wanted to try it out on a human hair unit, of course, just to see how the curls actually held. And I feel like, honey, I am feeling the look, I am feeling the wand. So if you're interested in this curling wand, make sure you head over to Duvole.com and pick you up one, girl. And make sure you use that 70% discount code, HAVFAKEHAIR70, girl. Save you them coins, pick up this curling wand, and make sure your hair is popping.
You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See fair, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water,